What's up, everybody? Just doing a quick unboxing video. We bought a DJI Mini 2 just so we can start making these YouTube videos a little better when we start doing stuff on the weekends. Not so much here at the shop, but weekend stuff. Like, we have something pretty cool coming up this coming weekend in West Virginia, and we just want to make the just the videos for you guys a little bit better. So it's time to get one. Since I got it in my hand already, purchased a 128 gigabyte SD card with it, but here it is. Bam, Mini 2. I did get the Fly More combo bundle kit, just because it comes with more batteries, blades, little toolkit, and a pouch, rather than just the standard thing. So I know I need to open this thing up and update it before I leave for this week, because I will be down in the Uwharrie area doing some training. But figured if I was unboxing this thing, I might as well take a video and kind of show you guys what I got and why I got this specific one. I had a DJI Phantom 2 years ago and I crashed it and just haven't replaced it since, and I kind of miss having a drone. So bought this thing. It's 249 grams, so it's under that magical 250 gram mark. So you don't need the licenses and all that. You do have to register it, but it's not anything crazy, right? So let me get to unboxing this thing, and here we go. All right, so this is what you get when it comes in. Just a nice box, kind of reminiscent to Apple. So really nice. Cut this stuff off. There we go. See if I can figure out how to open it. That's nice that it all fits in one nice bag. Don't need the box anymore. So, I don't know. Look how small that thing is. So, it shoots in 4K, which is crazy for a drone this size. I mean, straight on, my iPhone is bigger than that. It literally is fitting in the palm of my hand. That is crazy. The videos and stuff online do not do justice. So it comes with, obviously, the drone. It looks like the blades are in stock, and it has this little blade holder on, and then it also has a gimbal cover or gimbal protector. It is the controller here. So what's really cool about this controller is it packs flat. So, and then the little knobs store and you screw them in. It was a problem I had with my Phantom was I had it in a storage bag and I ended up breaking one of these off, and I think it was my left one, and it had just a little stub on it, and I had to use it like that because I just didn't want to pay for getting that fixed. But it goes like that, which is pretty cool, right? And then accessories here. What's in here? Quick start guide. We're not using that. You don't ever read the instructions. Accessories. So, wall charger. That is the cable kit for both Android and, that's all Android because I think it comes with the Apple Lightning. So those to connect your phone with. And then think the rest of that is just placeholder. So, and then charging cable, and then this is pretty much the main thing for the Fly Morph pack is the battery pack right here. Comes with 2 extra batteries and this whole block, so you can charge all 3 at once. What's really cool is it has a USB out, so you can charge your phone or anything else off of it, and it should have a battery in it. It does. I'm missing my blades, so let me start digging into a little more of this. Let's see if I can figure out where the blades are. Oh, they're right there. That's pretty cool. So, massive pack of blades and a toolkit. We're gonna shove all of that in there because that's a lot of little stuff I will lose. But that's pretty much what you get. Let me turn all this on, update the firmware to it, and then we'll take it for a test flight.
All right, so we took it up to West Virginia this weekend for a big camping trip, and straight out of the box, pretty much after I updated and everything, I started flying it. It's not my first time flying a drone, so kind of was pretty simple, really. I pretty much chased the kids down. They walked down the trail a good ways, and I went to go see where they're at. So as you could saw, I was able to see the tree limbs because the Mini 2 doesn't have the accident avoidance, but I was able to see them good enough with the camera to avoid it. And then I pretty much took it up to the maximum of 400 feet off the ridge line and started zooming around. This was in the afternoon. The fog/cloud started setting in, and I was able to take this awesome shot of it. You can kind of see our camp right there in the middle of the screen now. And then the following morning, I pretty much took the drone up and did the same thing and saw this awesome view. Wouldn't have been able to see that without this drone. Really happy with my purchase. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.